world. I would be on the streets selling weed and cocaine, just trying to make a living, because my parents' 9-to-5 job didn't really make a killing. So I was always trying to get a bunch of money from a bunch of 12th graders, seniors in high school, that I would try to sell weed and crack to. Thankfully I made a lot of money out of it. Thankfully I'm out of that life now. Now I'm in soul, I'm on top of the world. I'm a big ass celebrity, I'm a big ass rapper in South Korea. Lots of niggas respect me, and I really like that, man. I swear to God, I'm so proud of myself lately. And these Korean bitches won't stop getting all over my dick like dill pickle. But that's what happens when you get more bread than pump a nickel, because I always get a lot of bread. Nowadays I make like 10 million won. My mom, yeah, she kind of upset that I'm in Seoul now, but she proud of me because I'm a big ass celebrity. I'm finally part of something. Because I remember the teachers always doubted me. They thought I would just be living in an orphanage or something, or like a home or some shit.
Hear me out, I watch him bleed out. This was all before the rain had happened. Sunny days, I was living in lavish. Can't express it with words, so I just start rapping. I'm up in Seoul with a K, walking around in a bay. Look at them in the transmetic, I look at you niggas are peasants. I might teach you a lesson, I pull out the Smith and I put in the Wesson. I'm up in Seoul and I'm resting, I open the bottle, I give you a message. Look at my gun insurrection, I gotta think fast, which one I'm selecting. I got a new Smith and Wesson, it's hungry for seconds, so send you to heaven. I put him right in his grave, I bury his body, it's not really pleasant. I'm not a teacher, but it feels like it cause I'm giving niggas these lessons. Okay, this was before all the rain happened. Now I see the bodies that are camping. Can't believe all the things that have happened. Stuck in Seoul and you know that I'm stranded. And now break, yeah, I watch them all panic. RIS taking over the planet. Niggas running, driving and crashing. Alright, flow switch number 3. The city of Seoul is not sane. There's people that's going insane. I take out the F and I reel the bullets